Every single day, there is a misunderstanding happening right inside your home. You think you are sending a clear message of affection through the treats you buy, the high-pitched voices you use, and the rearranged evening walks. But your dog does not process love through human gestures. They interpret safety and belonging through a biological framework thousands of years old, a system of instinct that dictates how they read trust and protection. Because we are often looking for human-like replies, we overlook the specific silent behaviors dogs use to communicate back. You might see these actions every day without realizing what they are actually saying. When we look at these 7 daily behaviors through the lens of evolutionary biology, we see exactly what is happening inside your dog's nervous system. These actions provide a direct record of how your dog has filed you in their mind. Watch your dog the next time they walk toward you during a quiet moment. Not because you called them or because it's dinner time, but simply because they decided to come over. A dog who knows they are safe moves with their whole body. The tail wag pulls their back half with it. Their steps are bouncy and their muscles are loose. Animal behaviorists call this loose body language, the physical signature of a nervous system that has concluded there is no need to stay on guard. You can see a different version of this trust in an open space, like a park. Your dog might be several meters away, completely absorbed in a scent you cannot detect. Scientists call this social referencing. This diagram shows how the dog's erratic exploration is actually tethered to you. Even when they are busy, they will periodically look back just to confirm you are still there. They aren't looking back because they need a command or a treat. They do it because your presence is the anchor that makes their exploration possible. If you were to leave, the exploration would stop and be replaced by distress. That backward glance identifies you as their compass. As long as they can find you, they have the biological permission to interact with the world. Think about those mundane moments, like when you're standing in the kitchen and your dog simply comes over to press the side of their body against your leg. They aren't jumping or asking for anything, they're just leaning. In canine social behavior, unprompted physical contact is a primary way dogs affiliate with their group. They close the space because their own body is physically calmer when it is touching yours. You see this same calm when they enter deep sleep in your presence. When their paws twitch and their breathing slows, they have entered a state of total vulnerability. In the wild, deep sleep was when predators found you. The survival-oriented part of your dog's brain has not forgotten this. Choosing to let their guard down completely next to you is a profound act of biological trust. You can actually see this connection in real time with a simple test. Wait until your dog is settled and looking at you, then let out a slow, deliberate yawn. This chart shows data from a study in the journal PLOS ONE, which found that dogs yawn contagiously much more often with their own owners than with strangers. This response is a reliable marker of empathy. If your dog yawns back, it is the biological echo of your bond. It shows that their nervous system is so attuned to yours that even an involuntary signal from your body triggers a matching response in theirs. Most owners focus on the high energy of a greeting when they come home, the spinning and the noise. But the sign that actually reveals the depth of the bond happens about 60 seconds later. Watch for the moment your dog finds a spot near you and lets out a long, deep exhale. This isn't just tiredness, it is a physiological reset. Being left alone can keep a dog's cortisol levels elevated for hours. This graph shows how that stress hormone drops back to a baseline the moment you return, allowing their body to finally relax. The speed of this reset is tied directly to the strength of their attachment. They calm down quickly because their brain trusts that the source of their safety has returned. You see this same reliance when a sudden loud noise happens outside. Instead of looking at the door, your dog's head snaps to your face. They are looking for your micro-expressions to see if you are tense or calm. This emotional referencing means they have learned to trust your assessment of the world above their own survival instincts. In moments of uncertainty, they don't look at the threat. They look at you, because you have become their answer to whether the world is safe. These 7 specific behaviors were never taught. No one trained your dog to look at you for safety or to synchronize their breathing with yours while they sleep. They reach these conclusions through experience. By being predictable and calm over 1,000 ordinary moments, You gave their nervous system the evidence it needed to file you under safe. This is the measurable reality of secure attachment. It shows that your history of care has regulated your dog's stress response and established your presence as their permanent baseline for safety. The next time your dog looks back at you at the park or leans against you in the kitchen, know that you are seeing the results of that bond. To see more of the research behind how dogs actually think, subscribe to the channel and join our community.